Now, an important part of Activity Planner Pro is the Event Pulse. And the way this works is when you have your calendars, every day that you have an activity, that activity will open up in Event Pulse for you to provide information. So if we go to Event Pulse, we will see all the activities that we haven't yet rated. And the only way you're going to rate this here, it's very simple, is head count and enjoyment. This will give you a baseline for information on what's working well in your community and what direction do the residents want to go. So for happy hour, let's say 34, people enjoyed it, 5 stars. Save Pulse. Now, the way we recommend you think of the enjoyments, 1 star, it's not for your demographic. They don't want to do it. Maybe for someone else it'll work, but not your community. 2 stars, maybe it's salvageable with some major changes. Otherwise, just do something that's rated higher. 3 stars, it doesn't stand out in a positive or negative way. 4 stars, fantastic, we should repeat it. And 5 stars is amazing, we must repeat it, and we should probably invite families out too to enjoy as well. Now, you can only do 1 rating at a time. You cannot do multiple at a time. It will only save the information for 1 at a time. That was done intentionally because the information that you provide is very important. We don't want it to be filled and have bad data. It's very important that this is done correctly. Now, let's say for our acrylic, they really enjoyed it, but we accidentally hit 2 stars. Not a problem. If you need to change something, just go to your past rankings. We'll go right here was our acrylic. We needed to change that to 5 stars. Update. Done. There you go. And for whatever reason, if something we just don't know, we don't know how happy hour went, we can always skip. And that is how you're going to rate your events inside of Event Pulse for Activity Planner Pro.